Hello guys, today I am going to help you on how to solve Instagram feedback required login error, black screen issue. It can work for both Android and iPhone users, but the labels of the settings will be quite different. But don't worry, because I will be informing you about that. So this time, if you encounter this kind of problem, that error will show if you logged into your account. To fix this one, you can try to clear the cache of the application. It is Offload and Reinstall app for iOS users. So, go to your settings, find App Management and tap it. And go to the app list. Here, search for the Instagram application. Then tap. Go to Storage and Cache, then clear cache. Now go back to your application, and hopefully it works now. But if it still doesn't work, you can do this other option. Just go and tap this forgotten password or get help logging in. Then type your username, email, or number. Then tap Next. Here, tap Send Email and put here the code that was sent to your email or phone number, if you put your phone number. Then tap Next. Then finally, you successfully recovered your account now. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.